Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, satellite radio, USB adapter, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, FWD. Your new ride is just a phone call away.